If you've been wondering how to uninstall Discord System Helper on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove it safely and quickly, so you can clean up your Discord installation without confusion. This is a simple process, but I'll show you exactly where to click so you can follow along easily, even if you're not super technical. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Discord on your Windows PC. Once Discord is open, look for the user settings icon, which is the gear icon near the bottom of the app. Click on that to open your settings menu. After that, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. From there, select Windows Settings. This section contains the Windows-related options and components connected to Discord on your computer. Once you're in the Windows Settings area, look for Discord System Helper in the list. Next to it, you should see an Uninstall option. Click Uninstall and Discord will ask you to confirm that you want to remove it. Go ahead and confirm the uninstall. After that, the System Helper will begin removing itself from your PC. Depending on your system, this may take just a few seconds. When it's done, Discord System Helper should no longer be installed. If your goal was to clean up Discord or remove a component you no longer need, that's all there is to it. You've now successfully uninstalled Discord System Helper from your computer. If this video saved you some time, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.